The Kaplan Business School MBA is flexible for 3 reasons. First, there's a wide variety of electives to choose from. Second, students can swap from one specialisation to another. And third, they're able to combine face-to-face study with online study. Whilst a general option is, of course, available in the KBS MBA, so too are 7 specializations that enable students to craft a program that meets their interests and their career aspirations. In the Kaplan Business School MBA, there are only workshops, no lectures and no tutorials. This means that rather than having academics talking non-stop, our MBA instead comprises workshops that are full of activities, discussions, case studies, games, and interactive experiences. Much like on-campus students, our online students too can attend a weekly online workshop held live that replicates the discussions and activities that occur in the face-to-face version. These workshops are recorded and posted on the online portal, where they can be accessed not only by those studying online, but also by those enrolled on campus.